What's up, NBC Open House? Welcome to my latest masterpiece. This one goes by the name of Allure. Follow me inside. So the first thing you usually hear when a door opens is, wow. Open floor plan, looking straight out to the backyard. Right above me is your custom moss wall with your skylight above. To the right, the family room with a dual-sided fireplace, which is also open to your main kitchen with the island breakfast nook. This bar is definitely the wow factor in this room. When they say go big or go home, we definitely went big with its own 14 feet stone island. The bar is also a conversation room. It's an area you sit there, you hang out, grab a drink, and of course, it's connected to the dining room, which you can mingle before you sit down for your dinner. One of my favorite features in this whole backyard is the sunken fire pit. Being able to look into this pool over here, the outdoor lounge, waterfall cascading into the pool. This is where you sit there and you enjoy every dollar you've spent. And again, even on this side, you're looking straight into the house and the outdoor cabana, which you can sit here and actually watch TV or the game from right here. Everything just flows. There's homes, and that's what makes this so different. Having a pickleball court and your basketball court, you can have a party here for about 500 or 600 easy if you really wanted to. This is a cool little water feature I added over here in the section before walking on the Michael Jordan court. Now let's go inside so I can show you the rest of this masterpiece. The top floor has 7 bedrooms, each unique in their own design, but the one we're gonna walk in now is the primary. I don't know if I would even call this the primary. It's its own little house. You got approximately 2,800 square feet of just wow. You have your white oak wood slabs behind you, above with the same tone going on, dual-sided fireplace over here also looking into your primary family room with it wrapped in the travertine stone. This is just soothing. We have our reading corner over here, which is sitting here just relaxing, enjoying a book. Again, looking outside. Its own private balcony with the fire pit. And then walking, you got this big primary bath. It's one of a kind. And this is where it comes to an end. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Till the next one.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best Open House has to offer.